Say hi, Grandpa.
Yeah.
We got Grandma and we got Grandpa. Now we're gonna. This is how you cruise when you're 90 years old and 88. Oops. I'm gonna turn the comments off there. All right.
Gee whiz.
What?
Where's it at?
Sky somewhere.
Ooh, I'm busy. Yeah, it was close to them trees. Ah, come on. Hi. Hi, Mr. Bug.
There we go.
Be careful, bud. You'll get bit.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Grandpa,
Hey there,
tell
look.
that bug hi. It'll bite you if you don't. What looks like a mean monster.
I know, right? It's gonna bite you.
Yeah, it looks like it would.
We're gonna go up in front of us, see what people think.
Now watch them trees up there. They're all over the place. Ooh.
This is a lot better than going on the golf cart. Remember I did this on the golf cart?
Yeah, but I drove it.
I know, but boy, it sure was uncomfortable in the back seat.
Yeah,
We're in the Peace River Campground.
Terrible. Watch them trees now.
Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah, I shouldn't tell you because you know what you're doing. I don't see no people.
No.
Pretty nice. That's Lenny's trailer, that Coleman right there. And I think
Is
this
it?
one is too, this Wolfpack.
My car looks good on video, huh?
It sure does. Your car does look nice.
Tinted windows. Alright, let's check out the campground. See what the people say when they see the drone.
She's looking at it.
Hello.
I just
I gotta
don't get
update.
high because there's trees all over here.
Which way you want to go? This way?
I don't care. Ooh.
It's a lot nicer in the car. We got some people over there.
They looking at it?
Yeah, they're not too happy though.
Yeah.
They don't look too happy about it. Fly up ahead. That's your neighbor out there? No, that's not you.
Up where?
In front of us.
No, it's not. They're not the ones from Lakeland.
Who do you know in here, Grandpa?
You know some of the staff.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, that is my neighbor, but I don't know him. They need a new roof on that place. Look at it, it's pretty bad.
Yeah. It's getting that way, huh?
Is this
Go ahead.
Saturday? Wonder if they have bingo tonight.
Oh, yeah, bingo. We can go check.
I'll have to go in there and ask. I don't know. That lady's looking at the drone.
You want to go ask him?
That's Andrew's wife.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Debbie. I'll ask her. She might know. Debbie! Hey!
Hey.
Debbie! Debbie! Deb. She's gonna have a baby. Andrew! Andrew! Andrew!
Now what's the matter with them?
They can. Look at that little guy.
I know, he's telling it to come down.
Look at this little kid ready, trying to catch it.
He's telling it.
I'll go see if they have bingo here. I've got another one. It's lovely.
I know.
Debbie.
They're saying they're telling her to come down.
They have an ice cream sundae here right now. You want one? Dan, you want an ice cream?
No.
Sundae? Grandpa? I'm gonna go see if there's. Look at that pretty dog. Is bingo here tonight? Hey,
I can't.
is there bingo there tonight?
I think so.
Sometimes there
You
is.
want me to ask for you?
I'll go in and
I can't fly over people. You can't stand underneath it, okay?
Hi, Debbie.
You can say hi to it, just don't stand underneath it.
Oh, that.
Bingo. I just wanted to ask.
No bingo.
Yeah, they said it is happening. I didn't want you to waste your trip. You're welcome.
I don't know who's driving it. I think it's automatic.
Hey, you're driving it!
Look, it's got his eye up there.
You're driving
There's a little guy in there right here. Can I touch him?
No! No, he's right there! He's driving it, everybody! Calm down! Stop
They don't wanna-
driving it! Stop driving it!
Alright, hold
Let
on.
me drive it! Let me drive it! Let me drive it!
Alright, here, I'll put it down. See, it drives by itself. I don't have to touch it. You can look at it. It drives by itself, though. It's automatic. Look, it's flying.
Hey, you're
Look,
driving!
I'm not touching it.
It's automatic! Wait,
Yeah.
Can I see the camera? Get
Sure.
out of here! Can you make it? Come down! Come down!
Can't stand underneath it, buddy.
Hey, you're driving it!
You get amused with it, huh?
Hey, could you make it come down to us? Down.
No.
I want to look at it.
Oh, yeah.
I wanna look at it.
I'll put it up. I ain't gonna make him cry.
Oh, it's going up.
30 minutes?
I've got the Phantom,
Oh,
Phantom
family,
4.
yeah. Okay.
but they're a lot bigger. That thing seems like more fun.
Yeah, this is a brand new one, actually. I had the Mavic. This is a Mavic Air 2S. I had the Mavic Air 2. Oh, no, this is a Mavic Air 2, yeah.
But even mine, it's good for 20